Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is beverage. It is pronounced bev-ridge and spelt B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E. Think bev, then and then age. A beverage is a type of drink. It could be anything from water, juice, tea, coffee, soda, beer, wine, and more. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is consumed to quench thirst or to refresh. For example, you could say, "I would like a cold beverage, please." Or, "The party had a variety of beverages to choose from." The word beverage comes from the Middle English word beverage, which means drink. Its meaning is the same today, and beverages have been drunk for hundreds of years. In Alice in Wonderland, Alice encounters a bottle labeled "Drink Me," which causes her to suddenly shrink in size. This beverage is magical and allows her to fit through the tiny door in front of her. Synonyms for beverage include drink, libation, and quencher. Antonyms for beverage are food, solid, and nourishment. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, beverage. Maybe you'll even enjoy a beverage or two at some point. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.